In this video, I'll show you how to install the GTA 5 style character switch mod in GTA San Andreas. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the character switch mod and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Before installing this mod, back up your San Andreas folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder, open the character switch mod and drop all these files inside of the game folder. Place the file in the destination and then go back, open the .exe, drag and drop this exe inside the game folder, then go back, open the mix sets, right click on this text document and select rename, copy this password, then open the en, mix sets, drag and drop these two files inside the game folder, paste the password we copied and click on OK, then go back, open the limit adjuster, drag and drop these two files inside the game folder, and then go back, open the lodge address, drag and drop this exe inside the game folder, then close stuff here, scroll down 14,000 kb.exe, just drag this exe inside this lodge address.exe and select yes, type here y and press enter, do it again to check it is patched. As you can see, already patched. So now close and find mixset.ini, right click, edit in notepad, scroll down, memory, steam memory, say change this to 2018, inside file and select save option, close stuff here and right click on the 14,000 kb file, right click and select show more options, send it to desktop, create shortcut. Now launch the game through this newly created shortcut. Once you are in game, hold the alt key in the keyboard. To select the characters, you can use the left and right arrow. Once you decide which character you want to switch, you need to hold the left arrow key and leave the alt key in the keyboard, and this will switch the character. As you can see, same like a GTA 5. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.